In this tutorial, you'll learn how to search in CINAHL Complete using a search strategy you've already developed. If you haven't yet developed a search strategy, please watch the Developing a Search Strategy in the Health Sciences video first. From the library's homepage, click on the Databases tab. You can access library databases alphabetically, by subject, or by entering the name of the database you want to use in the search box. Once you're in CINAHL, paste the first line of your search strategy into the first search box. Repeat this process for each additional line of your search strategy. Then click Search. To narrow down your search, you can click on All Filters below the search boxes. Options will appear on the right to filter or limit the number of results. For example, you can limit your results to peer-reviewed journals, by a specific publication date range, or by subject. After searching and filtering, click on the title of the article to view more information, like the authors, title of the journal, and the abstract, a summary of the article. To get the full text of the article, view the options under Access Options. Many articles will link to the full text on a publisher website. If the full text is not available, click on View Full Text under Access Options. In many cases, we'll have the full text of the article in another library database or collection. However, if the full text of the article is not available in one of our collections, click on Sign In to log into your library account using your Z or AID and password and request it through Interlibrary Loan. You have now learned how to access and run a search in CINAHL Complete on the EBSCOhost platform. For additional help, use the Chat with a Librarian service on the library's homepage to connect with a librarian during our virtual reference hours, or visit us in person at the Research Help Desk.